Unong Actin Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastom, uba Mebon Lengdo, uloong ba usumbut menteri ka Jylla uba prestun tensong, ulapan Thikna ba ka jingdawa ban Pynkiew no ya ka Tulop ya ki Nonghikai Kynjatshai ha ka jingalang bala jong ka cabinet kaban salong no shen.
The outcome of the meeting with the chief minister, the deputy chief minister, was very fruitful, where he has actually committed and actually given the what do you call that, the assurance that the next agenda in the cabinet meeting, the first agenda that is, which is the top priority, it will be based on our demands. The next assurance that he gave is that in the next cabinet meeting that will happen, our bill, our file will be approved. So he said that the approval is going to come in the next cabinet meeting. Means the moment our demands is approved, then the notification and the order will follow.
Ulo ang ruba ka jiga kren kalong ka basayso, hagaba unled banya kren bat kiwei pat kipara Nonghikai, la ka te ka jiga ki kandang beteng, ni kin pinkut no eka.
The government's wish for us, all of us, to go back home so that we can sleep soundly. However, we also told him that we are just representatives, but in Fastom, everyone is a leader in his or her own right. Therefore, we will go back and we will ask from them whether they would want to go back home or whether they would want to wait. So with regards to that, we have also discussed that we will wait. Actually, we told the Deputy Chief Minister that we will wait until the third cabinet meeting happens or materialize. So the Deputy Chief Minister has given a statement. He said that that is up to us, what we want to do. So he said that his wish would be that we go back home. So we told him once again that we will have to go back and we will have to ask them. However, he mentioned again for the very third time in the meeting that we had that the government is 101% sure in the next cabinet meeting it will be approved and we will get our demands.